Hello and welcome to All Taste German. Today I will show you a very popular German dessert that initiated from an ice cream bar named Solero. The layered dessert has an indulging creamy vanilla base with an exotic fruity top layer. The recipe requires an overnight chill in the fridge, but it will take you less than 15 minutes to prepare it. First, you need to cut the peaches into bite-sized pieces. Then add them to a glass bowl or casserole dish or small individual glasses. Cover the peaches with a layer of vanilla yogurt. Beat the heavy whipping cream with the sugar and the vanilla paste until stiff peaks form. Then spread the heavy whipping cream on top of the yogurt layer. Add a quarter cup of passion fruit juice to a glass bowl. Then sprinkle the gelatin on top and let it stand for about a minute. Microwave the mixture on high for about 20 to 30 seconds and stir well. Then add it to the rest of the passion fruit juice. Add the instant vanilla pudding mix and blend well. Ladle the passion fruit mixture on top of the heavy whipping cream. Cover with plastic wrap and chill overnight in the refrigerator. Guten Appetit!